January is the perfect time to start fresh, and also the perfect moment to begin a garden that isn't temporary. In this video, I'm going to show you 20 perennial plants you can plant starting in January. Plants that don't die after a few months, but instead grow back, become stronger, and stay with you for many years. If you're just starting out in the world of plants and you're looking for beautiful, hardy, and easy-to-care-for options, this video is for you. Ornamental lavender is an ideal perennial plant to start with if you want something resilient, decorative, and long-lasting. It adapts best to warm and temperate climates, tolerating heat well once established, although it doesn't enjoy strong frost. Lavender is mainly an outdoor plant, perfect for gardens, terraces, or balconies, where it can receive several hours of direct sunlight each day. The most important thing for lavender is good drainage, since it doesn't tolerate excess water. Light soil and moderate watering are key. Once established, it requires very little care and comes back stronger each year, offering flowers and a tidy appearance even in low-maintenance gardens. Bougainvillea is one of the strongest and most rewarding perennial plants if you want a big visual impact without constant attention. It thrives in warm temperatures and is ideal for outdoor spaces, especially large gardens, walls, fences, or pergolas where it can climb freely. It needs direct sunlight most of the day to bloom intensely, and interestingly, it flowers better when it's not overwatered. It's perfect for beginners because it tolerates neglect, intense heat, and poor soils, yet can live and bloom for many years. Geraniums are a classic perennial, but they remain one of the best choices for beginners. They adapt very well to warm and temperate climates and can be grown outdoors or in pots on balconies, windows, or well-lit terraces. They prefer bright light, though not necessarily extreme sun all day long. Watering should be moderate, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. One of their greatest advantages is their long flowering season and how well they respond to light pruning, making them ideal for learning basic plant care without complications. Jasmine is a perennial plant that stands out for its fragrance and its ability to grow year after year when placed in the right spot. It thrives in warm to temperate climates and can be grown outdoors or in large containers. It prefers bright light but appreciates some shade during the hottest hours of the day. It's ideal for gardens, entrances, or terraces where it can climb or spread. With regular watering and gentle pruning after flowering, jasmine becomes a long-lasting and very rewarding plant. Lantana is an extremely hardy perennial, ideal for those who want to start gardening without fear of making mistakes. It tolerates warm temperatures very well and adapts to temperate climates. It is strictly an outdoor plant that loves direct sunlight and is highly drought-tolerant, making it perfect for gardens that aren't watered frequently. It blooms for long periods and requires very little care, making it ideal for people with limited time or experience. Agapanthus is a robust and elegant perennial that adapts well to temperate climates and can tolerate moderate cold. It's ideal for outdoor gardens or large containers. It prefers well-lit areas and well-drained soil, with regular watering but no waterlogging. Once established, Agapanthus blooms year after year with strong stems and striking flowers, making it an excellent choice for those looking for durable, structured plants. Gaura is a perennial plant that may look delicate but is surprisingly tough. It adapts well to warm and temperate climates and grows best outdoors with good sun exposure. It tolerates moderate drought and doesn't require rich soil, making it an excellent option for natural or low-maintenance gardens. It blooms for long periods and adds movement and lightness to the garden. Perennial verbena is ideal for those who want a plant that flowers for many months of the year. It prefers warm to temperate climates and grows best outdoors. It needs good sunlight, moderate watering, and occasional pruning to encourage new blooms. It's a very rewarding plant, perfect for pots, planters, and garden borders, especially for beginners who want visible results. Calendula is a very forgiving and easy plant to grow starting in January. It adapts well to temperate climates and tolerates cooler weather, making it ideal for outdoor growing. It grows quickly, blooms easily, and doesn't require complicated care. It's perfect for beginners because it allows you to learn about watering, light, and growth without the risk of easily losing the plant. Echinacea is a strong and resilient perennial plant, ideal for outdoor gardens. It tolerates both warm temperatures and moderate cold and grows best in full sun. It requires moderate watering and well-drained soil. It's an excellent choice for gardens that focus on long-lasting plants with well-defined seasonal blooms. Anthurium is a perennial plant ideal for those who prefer indoor plants. It adapts best to warm temperatures and protected environments, although it can also be placed outdoors in shaded areas. It needs bright indirect light, moderate humidity, and controlled watering. It's perfect for beginners who want a decorative and long-lasting houseplant. Peace lily is one of the best perennial plants for starting out in the plant world. It prefers warm to temperate temperatures and adapts perfectly to indoor environments, although it can also be kept outdoors in protected areas. It needs indirect light and regular watering, clearly signaling when it needs water. It's ideal for absolute beginners. Heuchera is a perennial plant valued mainly for its foliage. It adapts best to temperate climates and grows outdoors in partial shade. It doesn't require complex care and remains attractive throughout the year, making it perfect for those who want to learn about foliage plants. Iris is an outdoor perennial that adapts well to temperate climates. It prefers bright locations and well-drained soil. It blooms seasonally, but its structure remains throughout the year, making it ideal for long-lasting gardens. Clivia is a slow-growing perennial, ideal for bright indoor spaces or protected outdoor areas. It prefers temperate temperatures and doesn't tolerate intense cold well. It's very tolerant of neglect and perfect for people who don't want to water frequently. Perennial vinca is an excellent ground cover plant. It adapts well to warm and temperate climates, grows outdoors, and tolerates direct sunlight. It requires little watering and blooms continuously, making it perfect for easy-care gardens. Pentas are very floriferous perennial plants, ideal for outdoor spaces in warm climates. They need direct sunlight and moderate watering and are excellent for adding color to the garden for most of the year. Ixora is a tropical perennial plant, ideal for warm outdoor environments. It prefers partial sun, consistent humidity, and rich soil. With proper care, it blooms abundantly and for long periods. Kalanchoe is a perennial succulent, ideal for bright indoor spaces or protected outdoor areas. It tolerates heat very well and needs very little watering, making it perfect for beginners. Spider plant is one of the most resilient perennial plants there is. It adapts to both indoor and outdoor environments, tolerates a wide range of temperatures, and requires minimal care, making it ideal for those starting from scratch. Starting with perennial plants is one of the best decisions when you want a garden that's not just for today, but for the years to come. It's not about having experience or knowing everything from day one, but about choosing plants that grow with you, teach you patience, and help you enjoy every small progress along the way. January is that moment when everything feels like a new beginning, and planting now is a simple and beautiful way to bring that intention to life. And if after this video you're eager to keep learning and discover more options, in the next one I'll show you plants that don't stand out for their flowers but for their unique foliage, leaves with incredible colors, shapes, and textures that are also very easy to care for. It's the perfect complement to continue building a vibrant garden, even if you're just starting out. Click on the video that appears on your screen.